Hey friends, Jackie here from Interact, and I'm still on my AI binger looking at AI video editing softwares or platforms. So right now I'm going to take a look at Lumen5, sharing my screen so you can see their website. And this is going to be similar to Wisecut. Sorry, this one is going to be similar to Pictory, where I am turning a blog post into a video. So let's get started. I'm going to create an account to log in, and I will see you on the other side of Lumen5. Okay, so I went ahead and created an account. I did create an account for free, so I'm on a free plan. I did not have to put in a credit card. What I'm going to do here is select this goal of creating videos for a specific project. So it looks like the first thing, that I'm going to want to do is select a template, or I can skip this. Let's skip it and see what we can come up with without using a template, although it looked like it took a template for us anyways. So here is where I'm going to want to paste in my blog article. So let me grab that. Okay, so I have my blog post here. I'm pasting in the link. I'm going to click import. And let's see what this comes up with for us. Now it does appear that, I was going to say, it looks like it creates slides for you throughout the video here. But let's see what it comes up with. I'm able to convert it to video simply using AI. So it looks like this is exactly my blog post. And then I do want to use AI to generate a summary. Let's convert to video and see what we get. So it looks like it's filling in as it goes. I can kind of look to see what's happening. I think already on this intro slide, or this to start, I do want to swap out what this design might look like. So while it's generating the rest of the video, you can see this timestamp sort of getting a little bit longer. Let's change this out because it's using the text from the actual blog, but you can't really read it. It doesn't make any sense. It's not really serving a purpose for me. So let's go ahead and click swap design. And let's go with something like this: how to write a blog post with AI chat GPT. I think I like this one. Okay, that was easy. You're a SaaS marketing expert. So let's say swap design again, because I don't love that that's all the text that you can't necessarily read. This one looks a little bit better because you can see on the left, it's all left aligned. So you can actually read sentence if you wanted to. I like that a bit better. E-commerce calls to action that motivate people. I think this one is okay, although can I just put a picture of someone's pretty face? I'm gonna leave that one as is for now. I'm gonna go ahead and watch this because it does feel a bit out of order. Like it's missing a whole bunch of text that doesn't necessarily make sense by itself. And it doesn't look like, I mean, it does look like it's still choosing media here, but it hasn't gotten any longer. So let's just give this a minute to finish up, maybe because I went too early and started editing the designs while it was loading. But I do like this. Okay, now that I just said, oh, cool. So this is a shuffle colors option. which I like because I was going to say in the beginning of this video, everything looked a little dark. So I wanted this to be, yeah, I didn't want this background to be black. Now, I bet you somewhere in here, I'm able to upload my brand colors because they are not yellow and blue. And I would much prefer my own brand colors in here than something that is not. So I'm going to go ahead and let this finish loading. I'm going to look to see if I can change brand colors, and I will be right back. Okay, so I found this pretty quickly. Over here on the left menu, I just clicked on style, and then here's all of the colors that you can play around with. Now you can disable the watermark, but I'm on a free plan, so I can't do that. I'd have to upgrade to professional. Let's just take a look at pricing options while we're here together. So it looks like the basic plan is at $19. I would probably need to start with the starter plan at a minimum at $59 a month, billed yearly, only because if I go back and close out of this, what I would really want to do, what I had said earlier, was update my own colors, but you do need the starter plan in order to do that. So what I'm going to do, just for the sake of playing around with this and uploading some videos, I'm going to choose Volcano because our brand colors are pink and, well, a version of pink and a version of green. So I could either go with the emerald option or the Volcano. And actually, we're a bit more of green, so I'm going to go with green. And then same thing, I could upgrade to change out to my fonts. So as a business, if you are using Lumen5, I would totally recommend being on a paid plan so that you have the branding functionality. And as I said, you would need to be on at least the starter plan in order to use your own colors here. So this is what I wanted to do earlier was there was like a circle here with text in it from this blog here. So if I just delete this here, so you can see I still have the circle image, but what I did was click on media, and then I just wanted a picture of a person. So I just typed in happy person, and this gal is working on her computer. She must be writing a blog post using AI. So I'm just going to drag and drop this right in here, and then it fits it in there perfectly. So I like that, just so that this isn't all text as we go through. I'll probably do the same thing here. Maybe that's not the best fit. Maybe I could find someone typing. So this is really cool because you have a lot of options in terms of, oh, see, so this is premium. So I'm going to go with this one. Just seems a little big. There we go. And I'm still stuck here. So let's just click refresh and see what happens. Oh gosh, I'm a little nervous, but I'm going to go for it. Actually, you know what? Before I do this, let's preview and see what this looks like. So this is a really good video as well. The thing that I want to swap out, I can tell right away, is like I said earlier, this text that's like sort of pulling here isn't necessarily what I want it to show, but I do really like the little tiny videos of people moving around in the video that I'm creating here, basically showing that they're creating a blog post, right? And so what I'm going to try to do is in this story, figure out what is pulling these this font or this text here. Maybe I just have to change it myself. And what I'm going to do is I'll just share the blog post with you. In this blog post, we're showing you how to write a blog post with AI, specifically ChatGPT. And so we're giving you all of the prompts that you would use to create this blog post. So I think what I'm going to do for this video is only call out the text of what these prompts are, because that's what people really need and that's what they really want. So let me I like that I can, my blog post is right over here, right? So let's just start. I'm gonna pause so you don't have to, and this is the creativity piece of AI, right? I'm not really doing too much work in terms of like editing and creating this other than choosing the graphics that I like and changing out the text. But this is the creativity piece of what I actually want to tell people that are watching my videos. That I don't know that I would have come up with this idea without using an AI tool like Lumen5. But I want this to be a little bit more purposeful. So let me pause, and I'm simply just going to change out the text in here with what I am seeing. And actually, okay, first have the AI create a blog post outline and set the tone. But I did like how it used the different colors. Oh, okay, that's fine. I was gonna say I liked how it used the different colors within the words, like see how some is green and some is white. So I did like that. Again, I can just go into media and let's go with a person working here. You can crop it. Okay, that's what I wanted to do because I want to get the computer in there. Cool. Look at how fun. All right, so let me go ahead and copy and paste from the story the prompts that I want to appear in these slides, and then we'll come back and watch the video. So I've only been working on this for a minute, and I've already realized the prompts look a little long. Who is going to read? This is a lot of text. And so rather, I think I'll just take these headlines of first, you're going to want to create the outline and set the tone. Next, you're going to want AI to expand on each point. And I think this way, if at the end of this video, I give, and also I realize if you select the text and then click on highlight green and click, yep, there we go. It changes it for you. So that's what I was looking at up here, but I'll leave it like that. I think that looks good. I can also make this a bit bigger. There, cool. So anyways, I just wanted to come back and let you know, this is what I'm going to be doing. And then at the end of this video, I'll have a call to action with like, hey, go get the prompts from the blog so that they can get all the information there without making this video too content heavy. It's just a very quick overview of what you're going to want to do in order to create a blog using AI. So I think that's a pretty good idea. I will come back and let you know how long this takes to just copy and paste everything over. Okay, so that took 2 minutes. 2.5 minutes because I started at 4:30 there, in order to simply just change out these headlines into this video. Now, the last sort of headline that we give in the blog is that AI can write blog posts if guided in steps. But this kind of makes sense to put at the front of the video. So how to write a blog post using AI. And the next thing that I wanted to say is this. So all I have to do is click this up arrow to reorder this, to reorder these clips. And so then we have first, second, third, and I do like the text here behind because it's like sort of transparent. So it doesn't feel distracting on top of the heavy text here. Fourth, and then fifth. And then these, all I have to do if I don't want them is click this little delete icon and it will go away. This one appears to be stuck. I'm just gonna leave it and see what happens. Here's where, so I just clicked on show outro, and here's where I can give a sort of call to action to go watch that or to go look at that blog post. So get all the prompts needed to write a blog post using AI on our blog. And then let's see if I go to media, am I able to, on a free plan, upload my logo. Looks like I'll be able to do that. I wish, friends, I was a little more organized. Here we go. Open. I think that works. I'll just leave it like this. Yep. Upload. And then I just drag it right into there. Awesome. So get all the prompts needed to write a blog post using AI on our blog. And then I think, am I able to? Be awesome if I could link right in the video. This text box is full, so maybe it's just too long. I'll just go like this, try interact.com/blog. And then I can delete this because I don't want them to be distracted by anything other than going to the blog. Hopefully those will hide when we publish. Yeah, it looks like it will. Okay, outside of this, I'm really happy with this. So let's hit preview and watch this together. Okay, so I liked everything except for this thing that's stuck in here. It does say that it's saved, so I'm going to go ahead and hit refresh and hope for the best here. Awesome. And then this is what, yeah, perfect. This is what I want to delete. So just hit delete. And then the other thing was all the other slides were 5, 6, 5, 5, 6, 3 seconds. I'm just going to decrease this a little bit to 4 and 5 seconds. I don't know why I'm alternating. I just am. 7 seconds seemed really long to me. And then the outro can maybe be 7 seconds because I want them to have this link to be able to go to it since they're not able to click on it. So that, my friends, is Lumen5. I'm a big fan of this. It was really easy to add in images, change out the text that you want to appear, swap out designs, change colors, move things around. So if you're wanting to take blog content and put it into video form, I like Lumen5 more than I liked Pictory. This seemed like it was more customizable and much easier and faster to use. So go check it out with your own blog post and let us know what you create. Tag your videos in the comments below. Can't wait to see them.